Stop scrolling. If you want to make $10,000 per month in the next 90 days without major investment, this video is for you. Traditional agencies are dying. Today's biggest business model is the automation agency. But most people make two mistakes. They either sell simple chatbots or they get bogged down in coding. By the end of this video, I will share the 3 secret steps that top AI consultants hide from you, which will take you straight to $10,000 per month. Step 1. Stop being a generalist. Become a specialist. You don't need to automate every company. You need to pick a micro niche. The wrong way. I automate businesses. The Kine AI way, the kinetic way. I only automate appointment booking for dental clinics using AI. Or, I only automate the refund process for e-commerce brands. Why is this crucial? Because when you solve one small problem, you become the expert. You can sell a simple SaaS solution, but how do we get clients? If you cold email directly, you will fail. In step 2, I'll show you the reverse pitching method that will bring you high-paying clients. Step 2. Never ask. Always show. Stop sending cold emails. Instead, we reverse pitch. We don't look for clients. We look for their problem. 1. Identify. Find 10 companies in your niche. 2. Audit. Check their website, social media, or booking process. 3. Build. The Kine AI difference. In just 30 minutes, use Zapier or Make to build a small automated solution for their problem, and record a quick video demo. Example: I noticed your Facebook leads get replies 24 hours later. I built this AI flow in 10 minutes that will qualify your leads in 2 minutes. If you want the full system, reply to this email. When you show them you can solve their problem, they hire you. You don't have to beg for work. But how does all this justify a $10,000 fee? Why should clients pay you that much? Step 3 will change your pricing strategy forever. Step 3. Charge on value, not on time. $10,000 per month doesn't mean your work is difficult. It means your solution is giving them more than $10,000 in value. Your fee should be divided into 4 parts. 1. Setup fee, the build, for building the system. 2. Maintenance fee, the flow, for running the system monthly. 3. Tool cost, the tech, charging for the Zapier/Make subscription. 4. The upsell, selling new automation services. When you show a client that your $10,000 system will make their company $25,000 in monthly profit, they don't look at the fee. They look at the ROI, return on investment. You now have the full roadmap. Stop building things for fun. Start building things for profit. But all these systems will only work if you learn to use advanced AI tools correctly. If you want to learn more AI automation secrets with Kine AI, hit the subscribe button right now. And if you want to know why ChatGPT Plus is a mistake and what you should be using instead, click on the video on your screen. Do it the Kine AI way. See you in the next video.